In this video, we will show you how to get your UTR Unique Taxpayer Reference number online using the official HMRC website. Go to your preferred web browser, type HMRC in the search bar and press enter. Click on the link titled HMRC Online Services, sign in or set up an account. This will take you to the HMRC Online Services page. On the HMRC Services page, select the option that says Set up an account if you don't have one yet. Follow the on-screen steps to create your HMRC online account. If you already have an account, enter your government gateway user ID. Next, input your password associated with your gateway account. Make sure both credentials are accurate. After entering your details, click Sign in to access your HMRC dashboard. Once logged in, you will be able to view or request your UTR number directly within the account. And that's how you get your UTR number online via HMRC. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.